Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're ready to begin. Sign into the Google account that owns the channel, then open YouTube Studio. Once there, navigate to Customization and click the About tab. This is where contact details live. Make sure you have channel owner or manager permissions. Without them, you can't edit public contact fields. Now find the email or business inquiry fields and prepare to edit or remove them. If you used a brand account, switch to it first so your edits apply to the correct channel. Once you're in the About or Channel settings, delete the visible email from the business inquiry field or replace it with a contact form link to avoid exposing an address. Next, open Settings Channel Advanced Settings to see additional contact or business info. Disable any public display options. Make sure to save changes, then refresh the channel page. Changes can take a few minutes to show publicly, so don't assume it failed immediately. Confirm by viewing the channel as a visitor. Finish by auditing other places your email might appear: video descriptions, community posts, about text, or linked websites. Replace exposed addresses with a contact form, alias, or email forwarding that keeps your real address private. If the email still appears, clear browser cache and view the channel in an incognito window. Cached content can persist. If remnants remain, edit or remove the specific video descriptions or posts and resave to force an update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.